These cattails are fun. It's definitely weird. A little bit weird because some of it's hard and some of it's really soft. But yeah, the 151, really digging through this stuff. So let's go for a little while longer. Just got a little bit of a drive home, so don't want to use too much gas out here. Man, that's like a brand new belt. Yep. Awesome. Ooh, that is really, really hot. Yeah, that's shredded. Nice. $100 bill right there. So 40 miles out of it. Well, got the belt changed. I do find it kind of funny. I was literally on my way, like right there, to get off the lake, and she decided to blow. But like I've never blown a belt before. But yeah, so I'll have to get another one of those. Put down in the comments that you guys use for belts. I'm curious. I use Dayco. That belt has like, I don't know, 40 miles on it maybe, but well, maybe like 160 maybe, I don't know. These cattails were not friendly to it though. But anyway, I'll get everything back on and we'll head back home. All right, I hope the wind isn't too bad, but figured I'd show you guys the new thing I just put on here. This is a kind of a Pelican style case. It's a Harbor Freight brand because it's cheap. And then it's just got a couple bolts and stuff down into the plastic thing here. I don't want to go into the tunnel. a couple quick fists on Amazon. I can send you the links if you guys want them, and then just a little shovel in case I get stuck out here. But this thing's kind of cool. It's got full foam inserts in here, and you can actually customize the foam. It goes down, I mean, another that far in there, and this foam comes out and everything, and you can customize all of it. But I figured I'd do this. I'm glad I did it today. Keeps the weight off my back. I'm having to wear a backpack or anything, and I mean, I still have all of this stuff. But yeah, it's also a good place to hold your blown belts. Everyone just saw. But anyway, let's get back to riding.